Morning, guys. So I'm here in New York. I really hate this. I hate this leave out situation, but I'm at the airport. I'm gonna go to the Airbnb. So I don't check in until 3 and it's currently like 10. So she said I could leave my suitcase there while, you know, until I can check in. So I'm grateful for that. I'm totally fine with that. But with that being said, I'm not gonna spend the $50 on an Uber. I'm just gonna take the train. It's like an hour and 47-minute train ride. I'm just gonna take the train and go from there. So I will see you guys in a little bit. I need to look up directions and my phone is also about to die, so. I'm about to take the train by myself for the first time ever, and I'm like so super scared. Like, look, do you have a bridge in the background? Right there. Okay, so we have made it to the Airbnb. Went to Target to pick up some things because I did not get toiletries, really. But here's where I'm staying. It's this cute little house in Brooklyn. This is what it looks like. Cute little living room. And then here's the kitchen area. Here's the kitchen area. And then we got the bathroom. It's like that's a cute little clean space. It has a couple other rooms. I don't know if anyone is staying in them. But yeah, here's where I'm staying. I hate my hair, it's terrible. But I finally made it to the salon. It looks so cute. Guys, I did not bring a paper or pen or anything, so I'm gonna use my laptop. And it's definitely about to die, so I'm gonna try to charge it real quick.
Willing and ready to pour into whoever is willing or, you know, accepted to my techniques and everything that I've learned over the years. I just missed the part. As you guys can see, this is a traditional sewing manual. So on the first page, I'm gonna just, you know, read along and also add, and feel free to ask any questions if you have. I'm seeing this hair to be high maintenance, depending on the origin or texture. They'll say Cambodian here is high maintenance because it's really thick, and once like it's fine here. If it's in the middle, of course, lean it back right from the nose, and then that's your guide for the middle part. For a side, I'll always inquire what kind of side part you want. If the client wants a side part, then you'll know. The anchor braids are like really small, but not too small because you don't want one more.
different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive, get down dirt like a bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel caught in a midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that's my bad. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trace the stars back to let us know?
Hi guys, hello. It's currently Monday. I will be sure to update you guys later, but right now I'm gonna go to get some coffee, walk around Brooklyn, and go to Sweet Chick. Jeanae and I went there the last time I was here and I loved it, so I'm gonna go back. And yeah, so it's like raining. The weather's not like super bad, but it's definitely like starting to drizzle, and you guys saw how I struggled with my leave out yesterday, so I'm just gonna keep this hat on and just look cute and crusty at the same time. We have on no makeup, we have nothing, so I'm really glad I went to this class. And I know I said I was gonna talk to you guys about it later, and I will, but it's just like I'm really glad I came and I'm happy to be here. And I think that like I really wanted to record this vlog because I want all stylists to know how important education is and like how you need to invest in yourself and your craft. But we'll talk about it more because it's loud.
I wonder, can we trace the stars back to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion.
This neighborhood is like so pretty. You just have like the people walking down the street, and look at these really pretty brownstones. And then like look in the actual street, guys. Like the street itself is gorgeous. Like I really feel like I was meant to live out here, but maybe not. Ooh. Okay, so I made my way to the Bronx, and look at these tacos. I feel like I got some authentic tacos al pastor, and I'm so excited. I'm about to eat them. It was only $5. It was a steal.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me.
Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. I am still wearing this hat because my leave out is looking stupid raggedy. I think I'm gonna zip my coat up when I get to the bus, but what was I about to tell y'all? I'm gonna stop by the coffee shop because I want some coffee. My flight is at 2:35. It's currently like almost maybe 10. Ooh, sorry, I'm getting this heavy ass bag. Okay, so I had a little trouble checking out, but it was an easy fix. I definitely feel like I should have worn my sweater today versus when I got here because it's a lot more chilly now. But okay, the bus leaves 3 minutes. It's right around the corner, so let's get there. I literally am gonna have enough time to get, like, I don't know if I'm gonna get coffee. It really would depend on if I would have enough time to enjoy it. And it also depends on if they have pumpkin spice or like what flavors do they have. I don't mind drinking regular lattes, but it's fall, so of course I want to drink pumpkin spice. Like, if you guys know me, you know I love me some pumpkin spice. So if they don't have pumpkin spice, I'm just gonna get coffee at the airport. So we're gonna see. But it's really pretty out. Like, look at how pretty it is out here. Again, this is like, I want to say this is in between Flatbush and East Flatbush, right by like Prospect Park. But yeah. So just a quick tip when going anywhere, make sure you zip up your jacket with your purse on the inside so that when someone tries to snatch it, they can't get it off so easily. Did I miss the bus? I am literally so confused because it said the bus was coming in 3 minutes and I don't see it. And now it's not coming. Okay. I'm so confused because it says towards Williamsburg. And this is like Williamsburg, right? You see how it says Williamsburg, so I'm so confused. Okay, so I don't think you guys can see it, but I do see the bus down there. So it's like, let me see if I can zoom in. Can you guys see it? It's like literally right there, right in there. The bus is there. So hopefully this is the right bus that I get on. When I looked on the thing, it said like delayed 3 minutes. So I still don't know how I missed the one at 9:39 though. I don't know how I missed it, but let's just see. We're gonna be on here for 27 minutes, so this would be perfect to like listen to a book or anything. But yeah, y'all, if anybody from New York or from Brooklyn specifically, well not Brooklyn, just anybody from New York, if y'all are watching this, y'all know y'all are wrong as hell for stealing my macaroons. Them joints was like 6 for $12 and I only got to have one. Oh, here's the bus. Okay, bye.
Oh, I can't let him take my soul. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no.
Okay, so I'm here at Brown Butter Craft Bar and Kitchen. They have their Yelp reviews, so it's really, really good. So I'm here to try their biscuit. I cannot use my laptop, so I like just started getting into like working on some things, and the lady came over and told me I can't use my laptop. So there's that. But let's get into the sandwich. This is really good. I forgot to order the breakfast potatoes. I don't know if I have time now. Okay, let's crack open these breakfast potatoes together. It looks like there's a sauce on here that I'm not understanding. So we'll see how it goes. It looks like it might be some sort of AOE sentence, but which I don't like. I didn't know it came with that though. We're gonna eat it anyway. It's really creamy.
See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down and pinched. I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Ken. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid the tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. Sending you bird, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see you to hate this. People I'm saying, get what I'm painting. A picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 45 seen real traffic. That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called a body for a Maserati. He told him get about the car, hit him with the shotty. That 12 gauge, gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping, I just had to let him know. Ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. These demons really out to get you, so you better guard your post. There's certain things I could probably let go, but I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul.
Guys, I know I did like this whole like little situation where you saw me get on the train and everything, but I'm still in New York. I'm still at the Uber. I left my SD card at the Airbnb, and I had to like Uber back to get it because I was ready to die. My entire life is on this SD card, so I missed my flight. I'm back here. Hopefully I can just be put on standby for the 5 o'clock flight. It's currently 3:30. My Uber is around the corner, so I guess let me get to getting Toyota Highlander, a gray Toyota. Oh, here she is, I think. I gotta go.